Know the full cost and timeline of Express Entry Canada 2025 to 2026. If you're planning to immigrate to Canada through Express Entry, today's update is especially important. We're covering two major topics that affect every single applicant. First, the full, real cost of immigrating through Express Entry, and second, how long the entire process actually takes from eligibility to PR approval. Together, these updates give you a clear picture of both the financial commitment and the timeline you should prepare for. The real cost of immigrating through Express Entry. Let's begin with the cost breakdown that many applicants underestimate. To start your PR application, the mandatory government fees alone begin at $1,610 for a single applicant and $3,220 for applicants applying with a spouse. These include the processing fee, the right of permanent residence fee, and biometrics. If you're applying with children, each dependent adds $260 to your total. Beyond these core fees, there are several third-party expenses that every Express Entry applicant must plan for. Language tests, such as IELTS, CELPIP, or TEF, typically cost between $290 and $450 plus tax. Educational credential assessments range from $200 to $310, and all foreign documents must be translated by certified translators, which can add another $25 to $70 per document. You must also complete an upfront medical exam, usually costing between $140 and $280 per person. Plus, obtain police clearance certificates for every country lived in for 6 months or more in the last decade. These certificate costs vary widely depending on the country. There are also optional but common additional expenses like notarization fees, courier services, passport renewals, and travel costs for biometrics or medical appointments. And depending on your preference, immigration lawyer fees can range anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 for full application support. Finally, applicants applying under FSWP or FSTP must show settlement funds. For a single applicant, this currently starts at $15,263 and increases depending on family size. While this isn't a fee you pay, it's money you must prove you have available. How long does it actually take to get a PR through Express Entry? Now, let's talk about the timeline, something many applicants are anxious about. The duration of the Express Entry process is different for everyone and depends on eligibility, CRS competitiveness, draw patterns, and IRCC processing speed. The journey to PR starts with meeting the minimum eligibility requirements. Under the Canadian Experience class, candidates need at least 1 year of skilled Canadian work experience. For the Federal Skilled Worker Program, 1 year of skilled foreign work is required. And for the Federal Skilled Trades Program, candidates need 2 years of full-time experience in their trade. Once you meet eligibility, you can submit your profile and join the Express Entry pool. For many candidates, this is the longest stage because receiving an ITA depends heavily on your CRS score and the type of draws IRCC is running. In 2025, Express Entry saw frequent category-based selections, each with different CRS cutoffs. For example, PNP Link draws had cutoffs in the high 700s while French language draws saw CRS scores near the low 400s. CEC draws, on the other hand, remained in the mid-530 range for most of the year. Your time in the pool depends on how close your CRS score is to these trends and how often draws in your specific category occur. Once you receive an ITA, you have 60 days to gather documents and submit your PR application. This step can take several weeks, mainly because medical exams, police certificates, and employment documents aren't always instant. After your application is submitted, IRCC aims to finalize Express Entry PR applications within 6 months. This is the official service standard for CEC, FSWP, and FSTP. However, processing can sometimes extend beyond this depending on case complexity or document verification. IRCC now also provides more detailed processing time estimates, showing both historical and forward-looking timelines, helping applicants understand where their file stands. Conclusion. So, when you combine everything, eligibility, time spent in the pool, document preparation, and IRCC processing, your total Express Entry journey can range from several months to over a year. Understanding both the true costs and realistic timelines helps you prepare confidently and avoid unnecessary delays or surprises along the way. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.